Hello, I'm Jeanette Connor. I've been a visual artist for 8+ years, and today I'm going to show you how to word Luau Birthday Party invites. To word this Luau Birthday Party invite, we're going to use lots of Hawaiian words, such as Ohana, which means family,